Welcome to Sanam's kitchen. In today's session we will learn how to make homemade cream cheese, which is very easy and it is used for baking or as a dip. Or so let's start with 4 cups of milk. We're just going to boil the milk, and when it comes to a boil, just stir and reduce the heat. Make sure you choose heavy bottom pan. Now when it comes to boil, just add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also use lime juice, but I find that when you use vinegar, your paneer turns out really white in color. So add that and then just stir it, and it will start curdle up like this and form into chunks. So just turn off the heat and you see how big of the chunks are. I'm using a full milk, like a whole milk, so you want to use that. So at this point you just turn off the heat and we're going to strain this mixture out. So here I have a strainer and I'm also using a cheesecloth. So strain this. We want to save this curdled milk, and do not throw the water, by the way, because you can use that for soups and stew or even to knead the dough. It tastes like coconut water. It's really highly nutritious. So now that we squeezed out all the water, what we get is the base of our cream cheese. So now that, take this into a blending jar or chopper and then add 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and then run the blender until it is nice and smooth and creamy. So as you can see how creamy it is getting, very smooth and fluffy. So here you go, this is your cream cheese ready. You can use this for dips. Just mix some chopped jalapenos in it. It will be a jalapeno cream cheese dip for your crackers, or use for baking, and also some of the Indian sweets we can use this. And I'm going to give it a taste. So here I'm taking a cracker and take this and just take a bite. It's really creamy, right amount of salt, and it's perfect. So I hope you like this recipe. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.